Well, that backache only lasted yesterday, so I'm fine today. Today I'm going to start out by trying to make or start the armature for the rifle that he's going to be carrying. This is a Hawkins here, 50 caliber, and I'm going to try to replicate the barrel with the ramrod. I've got a thicker fondue stick and a thinner fondue stick that I'm going to put together. Now, it's not going to have the octagon shape that the barrel had, so I'm just going to have to go with what I've got, and I don't know how I would be able to do an octagon shape barrel this size, so I'm just not going to even attempt it. I have this Gorilla Glue, and I don't know if it's going to work or not. But I'm going to try to glue the fondue stick onto the bigger fondue stick. I got to have a way of holding it onto the fondue stick, and the only way I can do that is by putting some clay on it. So I'm going to try this and see if it works out. Now, put a bead of this glue where the two join, and hopefully that'll hold it together. And I'll just put this aside. Now I'm going to make the armature for the stock of the rifle. Okay. Now I just got to combine the fondue stick with the stock of the rifle. Got to figure that one out too. Yeah, that's about the right size. All right, I'll have to come back on this at another time. But right now, I'm just going to get to work on my mountain man figure. This is about the position the rifle's going to be in his arm, I think. Anyway, I'm just playing as I go along and trying to figure out what the heck I'm going to do. All right, be right back. All right, I got to start the pants because I'm going to have to have the wrinkles established in the leggings or the pants before I put the rest of the shirt on. Because of his position and the contorted position he's in, this is going to be the hardest of the three figures to do, because I don't have a model, and I've got to figure this all out in my brain as I work on it. and make it look like it should look. Now he's going to have fringe on his leggings, or his pants, and I just got to make it all work out. I don't want to overdo this. Boy, the time has just flown by. I'm going to have to call it quits here in a few minutes. I have a schedule I have to keep when I'm making videos daily. It takes me all afternoon to make the video, and I have a schedule I have to keep to be able to get it out each day. And I'm afraid my schedule's catching up with me. I was on the phone with the cardiology department at the hospital. They want me to come in for an appointment. I'm just trying to figure out a good day for me to go. And that took up most of this afternoon. Life was simpler before my heart attack. Now the seam of his pants is going to run around right about there. Now I'm not working up here because that's where the bottom of his shirt's going to be. With regards to the gentleman right here, I had somebody mention that the braids are a little thick compared to photograph of the warrior or the gentleman that I took pictures of, the model, and they are thick compared to that. And there was just no way I could make them as thin as his braids were on this size of a figure. And this is about as thin as I could get it. Well, I came across a photograph the other day, and it was of a warrior from a Crow warrior from that period of the 1800s, and it shows the braids about the same thickness as these are. It's interesting. It's an interesting hairstyle. I'm going to have to call it quits for the day and for the week. I've just got too much going on this week, being the 4th of July weekend, and so I'll have to pick this up next Monday, and it'll give me a couple of days to get away from this and see if I think these pants look okay or not. I think it'll be okay. I'm just at that stage where I'm just not certain it's working yet. Got so much I got to do on this. This is going to be the hardest one, and that's why I saved it to the end, to make sure that everything else was working. All right. Have a happy 4th of July. And I'll see you next week.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.